Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best graphics card on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. The NVIDIA RTX 4070 builds on the success of its predecessor, the RTX 3070, and manages to surpass it in almost every aspect. Through extensive testing, including gaming performance and synthetic benchmarks, we pushed these two cards to their limits. The results showed that the RTX 4070 outperformed the RTX 3070 in certain games, at times running up to 40% faster. On average, the RTX 4070 demonstrated a remarkable performance gain of approximately 21%. With gaming performance capable of rivaling both the NVIDIA RTX 3080 and RTX 3080Ti, the latter featuring an MSRP double that of the RTX 4070, there's no question that this is currently the best graphics card for most people on the market. Number 2. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 comes with a hefty price tag, a requirement for a 16-pin connector or adapter, and is physically massive. However, as the first release from NVIDIA's new 4000 series, it stands as an unrivaled powerhouse capable of handling any task you throw at it. It currently holds the title of the most powerful GPU available and is likely to maintain that position for an extended period. Our testing revealed a substantial performance advantage over the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090, boasting 2 to 4 times the performance in synthetic benchmarks and up to a 100% improvement in frame rates in certain games. Number 3. AMD Radeon RX 7600. The AMD Radeon RX 7600 is a notable entry that introduces AMD Radeon 3 technology to the sub-$300/£300 price category, and it offers impressive performance despite its budget-friendly cost. When it comes to 1080p performance, this card delivers fantastic results for its price, even competing closely with the NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti12GP. It also manages decent 1440p performance, considering its 8GB of RAM and 128-bit memory bus. In terms of gaming performance, the Radeon RX 7600 can comfortably achieve 60 FPS in all the best PC games at 1080p, with most games running on their highest graphics settings. Even for more demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077, you can make it work with some settings adjustments, particularly when utilizing AMD's FidelityFX Super Resolution. Number 4. AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT. The AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT made a rather late entrance in 2023, arriving nearly a year after AMD unveiled its flagship RX 7900 XTX and RX 7900 XT cards. However, this belated launch only made it all the more satisfying for gamers as it finally delivered the mid-range graphics card they've been eagerly awaiting for quite some time. Powered by AMD's Radeon 3 GPU architecture, the RX 7800 XT managed to avoid NVIDIA's shadow this generation. It comes with 16GB of GDDR6 RAM and a wide memory bus, enabling it to efficiently load and render 4K textures. Number 5. Intel Arc A770. The Intel Arc A770 has marked a notable entry in the world of discrete graphics cards, challenging the long-standing duopoly of AMD and NVIDIA. As Intel's first attempt at a flagship graphics card, the A770 has proven to be surprisingly competent. Its arrival adds variety to the market, but what truly sets the A770 apart is its impressive features and competitive pricing. Through extensive testing, it has become evident that the A770 represents a significant improvement over its launch counterpart, the Intel Arc A750, which faced some driver-related issues in my previous review. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.